So for these lovely chocolate ginger cookies, I've taken 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, which is also called sunkt, or you could use fresh grated ginger. This is half a teaspoon of clove powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg or jaiphal, and a pinch of salt. So I'll leave all the instructions as well as the method and the ingredients in my description box below as to how I made all these powders. Now in a bowl I'm going to take half a cup of butter, and I'm going to add 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and mix this for about 5 minutes till it becomes a very fine and smooth paste like this. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and whisk everything well. 1/4 cup of pancake syrup, or you could also use honey or maple syrup. Whisk everything in really well. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then I'm going to add all these spices as well as the salt. We're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of milk. Whisk everything well, and now we're going to add 1.5 cup of plain flour, and we're going to mix all of this together and then knead it to form a nice firm cookie dough. Now once our dough is ready, we're going to just cover it and set it aside for about an hour in the refrigerator. Now after an hour, I'm going to preheat my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'm going to line my baking tray with some baking paper and make small balls using a tablespoon like this, so you get even sized balls, and then just roll them out evenly and place them at at a little bit of distance from each one, because they do nicely puff up after baking. And now I'm just going to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then just to add a little bit of a nice Christmassy touch, I'm just going to add some powdered sugar. And that's it, friends. Your lovely chocolate ginger cookies are all ready.
Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.